Let's look at another application for our pH formula. In an interview, an oceanographer states the seawater off the coast of Washington is projected to increase 150% in acidity by the end of the century. If we assume that the current average pH level is 8.1, find the projected pH level at the end of the century. So we have current pH equals 8.1, and the future pH is the one we need to find. And what we know is that there's a 150% increase in acidity. Okay, so in order to calculate a pH, we need to know our hydrogen ion concentration, and then we can put that into the formula. So we don't currently know what hydrogen ion concentration to use here, but we can use our old information to figure that out. So if we know our pH is 8.1, we can find that hydrogen ion concentration and then multiply it by this 150%. So that's going to be our strategy here. So let's start by finding our original or our current hydrogen ion concentration. So if 8.1 is equal to negative log of H plus, okay, I'll move that negative over to the other side. And then in order to deal with that log, I'll use the inverse function, which is 10 to the x. So I'll do 10 to the power of each side. So what that tells me is 10 to the negative 8.1 is my current hydrogen ion concentration. To get the new one, in order to find the pH, I need to increase it by 150% in acidity. So 150% as a decimal is going to be 1.5. So I'm going to take 1.5 and multiply it by this 10 to the negative 8.1, and that'll give me my new hydrogen ion concentration, and I can put that into our formula to get our pH. All right, so let's go ahead and put this in a calculator. 1.5 times 10 raised to the negative 8.1. So there is my new hydrogen ion concentration, 1.19 times 10 to the negative 8. Okay, and I'm going to leave that in there because I'm actually just going to use this number in order to get my pH. So my pH is going to be negative log of my new H plus. So in the calculator, I'll do negative log, and then I'm going to put this old answer in by doing second answer. And then that tells me that my new pH is 7.92. All right, so there we go. So our process here, just in general, we knew that they were increasing the acidity, which is our H plus value. So I used my old pH to find my H plus, my hydrogen ion. I multiplied it by that 1.5, the 150% increase, and then that allowed me to calculate my new pH.